so we're going to use a leftover of this yarn.
Orange Barbie color since 9. So this is like 210 meter or equal to 85. Use 5mm hook, but for me I want to use just, I'll be needing 6mm hook and our yarn. To begin, make a slip knot. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Make a slip stitch in the first chain from the hook, in the first chain or in the fourth chain from the hook. Grab a yarn, pull through, and we are creating this little circle here in the middle like this one. Round 2, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and now make 12 double crochet. Grab a yarn, insert your hook in the middle of the circle, grab a yarn, 3 loops in the hook, grab a yarn, pull through 2 loops, grab a yarn, pull through 2 loops, and we're going to repeat that 12 times. 3, so our chain 3 is considered our count as first double crochet. 4, 5. I'm gonna meet you once I'm done making 12 double crochet in total. So I am done making 12 double crochet, and now we're going to make a slip stitch in the third chain. 1, 2 and 3. Insert your hook right there, grab a yarn, pull through that loop, and we have here a little circle. Now round 3, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Right, and then make 2 double crochet per stitches. First you're going to make 1 double crochet here. Insert your hook right there in the first stitch you find. Double crochet is just this, and 2 double crochet in the next stitch, which is here. This is our next stitch. Insert your hook right there. 1, and in the same stitch make another double crochet. 2, and this is how it look like. So 2 double crochet per stitches. 1, in the same stitch, insert your hook, grab a yarn, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops. So continue making 2 double crochet per stitches, a total of 24 double crochet, or do this 2 double crochet per stitches 12 times in total. I'm gonna meet you once I am done making 2 double crochet per stitches. Once I am done. 4, chain 3 to begin round 4, 2 and 3. So make 1 double crochet in the first stitch you find, which is here. Insert your hook right there, grab a yarn, pull through 3 loops in the hook, pull through 2 loops and pull through 2 loops, and in the next stitch, which is here, you're going to make 1 double crochet. Grab a yarn, 3 loops in the hook, pull through 2 loops and pull through 2 loops. In the next stitch, make 2 double crochet. Grab a yarn, insert your hook in the next stitch, 3 loops in the hook, grab a yarn, pull through 2 loops, grab a yarn, pull through 2 loops. In the same stitch, make another double crochet. Insert your hook in the same stitch, grab a yarn, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops. So we have 2 loops in the hook in this stitch. In the next stitch, 1 double crochet, insert your hook, grab a yarn, pull through 2 loops, grab a yarn, pull through 2 loops. Let's repeat that one more time, that pattern. Grab a yarn, make 1 double crochet in that stitch, and make 1 more double crochet in the same stitch, and in the next stitch 1 double crochet only. So go ahead, make this pattern all the way around, 2 loops in the next stitch, 2 double crochet in the next stitch, and 1 double crochet in the next. And we're just gonna repeat this pattern all the way around. I'm gonna meet you once I am in the last stitch of this round 4. I meet you once I am done. So I am here making the last pattern. So we have 2 double crochet and 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Now we're going to make 2 double crochet in the next stitch. 1, and in the same stitch make 1 more double crochet and 1 double crochet in the next stitch. So this is our previous slip stitch, which is not count as a stitch. So we're going to make a slip stitch now. 1, 2, 3. In the third chain, insert your hook and make a slip stitch. Grab a yarn and pull through that loop. And this is for our round 4. Now we're going to connect this another color. So we have a beautiful color combination. Make a knot. Make a knot twice. This is just how I connect a new color, and it's up to you how you want to connect your color. Your new color, I mean. So insert your hook in the first stitch you find, which is here. And grab that yarn. Make chain 3 using the same hook. 1, 2, 3, and in the same stitch you're going to make another double crochet, 1 double crochet in the same stitch, which is here. Make 2 double crochet in the next stitch. And 1 more double crochet in the same stitch. Make 2 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. 1 and 1 more double crochet in the next stitch. 2 and 2 double crochet in the next stitch. 1 and 1 more double crochet in the same stitch. So that is just our pattern. 2 double crochet in the next 2 stitches and 2 double crochet in the next stitch. So we're going to repeat that pattern all the way at the end of round 5. I'm gonna meet you once I am in the end of round 5. So we have here 2 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. So next we're going to make 2 double crochet in the next stitch. 1 and 1 more double crochet in the same stitch. 2. So in the next stitch we have 1 last stitch left. Just make 1 double crochet right there. So as usual, this is not counted as a slip stitch, and this is a previous slip stitch. So we're just going to count 3 chain. 1, 1, 2, 3. Insert your hook in the third chain. Grab a yarn and pull through in that yarn. And this is how it looked like for our round 5. To begin round 6, you're going to chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. Make 1 double crochet per stitches all the way down. Make 1 double crochet in the first stitch you find, which is here. And 1 double crochet in the next stitch. And just make 1 double crochet per stitches. Repeat that pattern all the way down. I meet you once I am in the end of round 6. Make 1 double crochet per stitches all the way down, and I'm gonna meet you once I am in the end of round 6. So I am here in the end of our last stitch of round 6. Now we're going to make one last double crochet in that last stitch and make a slip stitch in the third chain. 1, 2 and 3. Insert your hook, grab a yarn, pull through in that loops. Round 7 you're going to repeat round 6. So I am here at the round 7. Make one last double crochet of round 7 and make a slip stitch in the third chain. Chain 1, cut the yarn. So I have here 3 more different color and I'm just going to make 3 rows on each of this color, and I'm just going to repeat round 7, 1 double crochet per stitches all the way around for 3 different color, and in every color is 3 rows. So I'm gonna meet you once I am done. So finally we are done with our hat. So in the light brown we have 3 color, 1 2 3, and here in this color 1 2 3 rounds, in the orange color 1 2 3 rounds, and in the last color we have only 1 round because we have enough height. So what we do next, I have here a needle and a yarn that is already inside the needle, and this yarn measures about 29 inches. Okay, let's cut the rest to be exact. So I have 29 inches in double. So I'm just gonna make this. I'm just gonna make a knot in the end of this knot. So we're going to start in the 5th row. So 1 2 3 4 and 5. Insert your needle right there, like this here, and just pull it through. And insert your needle in this one here, in between, and just pull. Perfect. And you just do it again in the same spot right here. And pull. So go ahead, repeat that until. So I am here in the end. I think I'm going to end it here. This is my last one, and just pull, grab the needle here and grab it. And I'm gonna turn, and I'm going to cut this. Just want to cut this like this. Perfect. And I'm just going to make a knot. Make a knot 2 times. 1.
That's what you need, look.
And 2 and 3. And just cut the yarn. And we are done with our hat. This is how it looked like at the back. And it's simple and very fast to make, and that's a